Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I want to go ahead and share with you guys a product that was sent to me a couple weeks ago. I just haven't got a chance to review it yet. And this is a pretty cool device if you're looking to add a camera into your home that's very discreet, can run in the event of a power failure, and have onboard recording and network recording. So, this was sent to me by a company called PortoCam. And I'll put a link in the description for that. And basically what this is the world's first 1080p 160-degree viewing angle spy camera. And this is what it looks like right here. Very, very discreet. It's made to look like just a wall charger. You even have a USB slot at the bottom. You can actually plug something into it to make it look even more like a, just a standard wall charger. When you look at it from the front, you do have a little bit of writing on there. It says USB, the input, the output, and right in the middle there is where the lens is. You can kind of see when I give it an angle to the camera. I'm not sure what the plus and minus buttons are. They don't seem to have any function whatsoever. I don't know why they put those on there, but they did. On the side, you have two doors on each side. One is your reset button. The other is a micro SD card for onboard recording. And the other side has your power button and a few other controls there for, looks like, speaker or audio, and I forget what the other button is. Anyway, what this does, and then of course you have your power adapter on the back, which just is depending on the country you live in. You can pop this off if you're not from the United States. This is a United States plug. This just pops right on here, like so. Alright, so a little bit about the camera. I mean, it's not really much to look at. It's not meant to look like anything very out of the ordinary. It's made to look like your standard plug, and it does look like your standard plug. So a little bit about the camera here. They call it Hidden Wall Charger Camera, 1080p recording. It has 39 feet of night vision, which actually works off starlight. In the event that you don't have enough light, the infrareds will kick on. It says here about the camera, it's one of the world's first 1080p 160-degree vertical angle camera. Now, when I got it, I was kind of like, oh, I've seen spy cams before. There's nothing really what's so special about this. I didn't really understand what that meant until I actually used it. And what this means, and what I thought was kind of weird was when I got it, to be honest with you, I was like, all right, where am I going to put this where it's high enough to see the whole room? Well, what I didn't understand about the vertical angle is the fact this is meant to be plugged down low in your standard outlet height. And because of the angle of the lens, you actually get the entire room. The whole room gets coverage. And when you look at it on their website, you'll see exactly what I mean. This thing plugged in, I had it in front of my bed. It got the entire room, which is about, I'd say, 13 by 15. I have a king-size bed in there, and it got the entire width. So you do kind of have a fisheye effect, so you do kind of like that bubble effect. But nonetheless, you get the entire room. This thing also has, I believe, a 500 milliamp battery in it. I think I'm correct on that. I think it should say it here somewhere. Yeah, 500 milliamp battery. So basically, in the event of a power failure, this thing will still actually record based on motion and store it locally if you have the micro SD card in. So that's really great. In the event of a power failure, it's going to still work with the night vision. The other cool thing about it is, let's just say you didn't want to put it, somewhere. Let's say you wanted to prop it up for whatever reason somewhere else, just kind of leave it on a desk. Kind of off to the side, discreet. That would also be able to keep recording using the battery. Also picks up audio as well. A little bit more about the camera here. It says higher surveillance grade. I'm not sure what they mean by that. It could work 24/7 by the main power, but with the built-in 500 milliamp battery, it'll work for 1 to 2 hours. Even the power is cut, if it accidentally happens, for whatever reason, it'll continue to record, of course. It says a starlight sensor. It'll work in total darkness up to 39 feet. And that's, of course, with using infrared. Total darkness, the infrareds will kick on. But starlight basically means it takes in ambient light, and it actually is able to see in darkness. Whereas infrared actually it shines with an infrared bulb or LED, that light out, and this thing picks it up with the CMOS sensor, I believe. It says it'll switch to night vision automatically when the brightness is lower than 10 LUX. So that's really about it with the camera. I mean, pretty awesome. If you're looking for something that is, again, discreet, let's say you have a babysitter, you want to be able to keep an eye on them, you can actually use it with their app. You can view it remotely through your network. It is Wi-Fi capable, of course. Now, I don't have it on my network because I just can't. I can't show it to you guys because I have too many things on my network. Too many things. My internet is 40 megs. And I just can't have another camera on there. I already have what, 11, 12 cameras running on this network. So although they all work fine, there's no reason for me to have another one on the network. But this is, again, what it looks like. I have tested it. It does work. You can see, again, the entire room from floor to ceiling. So pretty awesome device. Right now the price dropped on this. You can get this for $66.77 with free ground shipping or free standard shipping through Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Definitely check out the website if you want to read a little bit more about it, and let me know if you have any kind of questions. If you do, I can go ahead and get you an answer within a couple days. So once again, guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and have a wonderful day, folks. Take care.